doing? I hope you're all doing fine. And I'm starting the vlog at home because I have an unboxing to do, and this is actually a mic. I got a mic, actually Dara got it. And if you remember my previous vlog, I said that it was time for me to invest in a mic so you guys could get a better audio of my vlogs. And we got the mic, it just came in the mail, so let's open it together. By the way, Samiksha is recording me, she's behind the camera. I'm gonna get in the camera soon, but let's unbox this. So this is the Portronics Vlogmate 3. Actually just watched one video. Dara did the research and got it for me. I'm just going to use it. But let's open it now. I'm going to use my nails to just rip off the plastic. And good thing today I have her with me so we can both use the mics. I think two mics come, so it's perfect for the two of us. This is what it looks like. Okay, we got the case here. This is a case. Let's see what else is in here. We got a box. Let's open this tiny box. It says Portronics on it. Oh, we got a pouch, a cloth pouch. There is something inside. I think this is a charging cable. This is a charging cable, and I got something else. I believe this is, I'm not really sure what this is, but I will tell you guys what it is. And that's it, that's what came in this pouch. Let's now open this. I'm going to slide it out. This is what it looks like. Okay. Oh. Ta-da! Okay, this is fine. We got two mics with, so this has a clip and it could get attached here, and that way I don't have to worry about holding the mic or anything. I think this is a receiver that goes into the phone. It's the C type of pin. I need to read the manual and see what else it does. But oh, this is all magnetic. All of this is like cool. We got this. We got the other one too here. So one will go on me, one will obviously go on the one recording me when we test this out today. But let me read the manual and get back to you guys.
A few moments later.
Okay, so after a little bit of struggle, I think we have figured it out. This is what the mic looks like. There's no Bluetooth. You're just supposed to put the receiver in the phone and start talking. Hopefully it's working. So it has a magnetic thing that I'm still yet to figure it out. What is that? But there's also this clip thing, and this goes here. So apparently it's supposed to be recording. I hope it is recording now. Yeah, let's see. So if I press another button, it's going to go. Okay, it's working. We did check the footage. It is working. I'm very happy. But I want to try the noise cancellation thing. I'm just supposed to click once, and apparently it's on. And I hope it's noise cancelling all the other noises but mine. But I'm going to watch the footage back again now, and let's see if it made any difference. I am making her try the other one. Now she's trying. You press that button once. Yeah.
And
Okay.
then this side, no?
Yeah. Do you put the noise cancellation? You can one more click and the noise cancellation will come on. And say hello.
Hello, hello. Can you hear me?
I can hear you right now, but let's go back and watch the footage. I wanted to say something more. How are you? It was Vikrant's birthday and we're getting him a cake over here. He didn't know Samiksha was down for his birthday, so we surprised him and we went at 12 to cut his cake. Happy to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Vikrant. Happy birthday to you.
The next day.
Hello, good morning. How are you doing? Just say something. I'm not gonna force it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sherry and we are currently at Pastry Cottage with Anita and we have ordered coffee because we are craving for it.
Yes. Here I am at Pastry Cottage with Anita, and we were trying out the mic, and I was showing her how it works. And she's wearing a mic, and I'm wearing one, but the noise cancellation thing was not on, so sorry for that. We got one is either chicken and one is one's gonna be prawns, one's gonna be cheese. We got hot chocolate, and you got what?
Cafe latte.
And what did we just do before this?
Went to see your flat,
Okay.
show it to the client and before that we went to the gym.
We did go to the gym, but the whole point of gymming is to be able to balance out and have something like this. So no guilt. Cheese. So that's a cheese risotto. Apparently it's very good. I'm gonna try it out. This is really nice. I like this. So did she.
That's just the prawns.
This is the prawns. Let's try it out. This is nice. It's good.